Hey loves, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today I'm ready to slay another wig with you guys. This one comes courtesy of Westkiss hair. You guys know this is one of my day one hair companies that I've been working with literally since the beginning, and I always love the wigs they send out. I'm going to slow it down for you guys because I really want you guys to get a good texture shot of what this wig looks like. I wish you guys can feel through the screen. This one is so soft. They're so smooth, so much bounce. I mean, this one literally felt like butter. So much so that I'm going to need minimal product to install this wig, literally beginner friendly. So I hope you guys are ready to see the quick 5-minute install. So for starters, let's go ahead and look at the construction of the cap. This is the way a typical headband wig is styled and constructed. You have that strip of headband around the front, and in the inside you usually will have combs or clips. They opted for wig clips in the inside. You get 2 at the back so you can clip it to like the back, and then 3 in the front. I don't typically use the front, but I definitely will use the back, and I'll kind of explain in just a moment. Yes, hair is itchy. You go, it's time for wash day. So this here is the only product I'm going to be using. I'll have it linked in the description box. Hashtag Arrogant Tay taught me. He loves these products from this brand, and I've been, on the bandwagon, and I've definitely been loving them too. This gel here specifically has been the best for my edges. I feel like whenever I use any of the typical popular edge controls, it does not tame my natural hairline or edges. You guys know I'm coming off of postpartum and I'm trying to get my edges back because, at 4 months postpartum, literally they were Mr. Clean bald. So I'm super excited that they're kind of sort of starting to fill back in, but I just want them to be nice and I just want them to flourish. One thing that I did not do this time around that I actually didn't even think about was typically I'll go in with a black or brown, mainly black eyeshadow, and kind of fill in any parts that look a little bald or sparse. That definitely would have amped this look up a lot, especially if I wanted to show the baby hair. But again, if you've seen the last couple of months, like they've grown, they're flourishing, and it's looking pretty good for me. Also, I know you're like, what is that behind her? It's like furry, it's like white, but is it the wall? What is it? That is pampas grass. I ordered it from Etsy. It literally was expensive. It took 3 months to get to me, and I was so excited to get it today that I popped it in my background, and I did not realize it was going to blend in so much. So I'm not going to use it anymore, but it is bomb in real life, and this is the results of my edges. Literally a glow up. This looks actually really good. If you know, you know. Now we are ready for our 5-minute install. As I mentioned, this is super simple, easy, and beginner friendly, and you're going to see me literally install it in literally like 2 seconds. So I unsnap those wig clips in the back. I leave the front ones alone. I don't use those at all. And then I go ahead and pretty much snap or velcro the elastic in the back for the headband part, and then I put the back of the cap over the headband part, and then I snap the wig clips into it, so it's all one. It fits super simple, sleek, and snug. It doesn't slide back or anything like that, and again, I think it looks super good. One thing I will say is I do like to bunch that little headband up. I have a very egghead shaped head, so I don't have the space to kind of leave the whole thing flat. I bunch it up that way it doesn't take up too much space, and this is what it looks like. Now, if you were nervous about the color or how it would look, since the back is like a chocolate brown and the highlights are only at the top, you guys can see it's done beautifully, and I would not have had it any other way. It's definitely very tasteful. I feel like highlights can definitely look very cheesy, especially on African American women. Sometimes it's like it's just not meant for us, but the way they did it, it's very, very, very like pop of color, yet work safe, yet not cheesy. You don't have to wear makeup for this to look good. It just looks good all around. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some, eye candy to this look. They did provide 3 different looks for me. There's this navy blue and cream colored headband. They also included these beautiful lashes that I definitely will be using. And if you're an OG and you've watched my videos, you know I have a headband or a scarf just like this one. So now I have 2. This is a beautiful, beautiful scarf. They included an elastic band which you can attach for a little bit more of a grip or hold. I don't think you need it, but of course you can use it. Wig caps, and then of course they gave us a dust bag with their logo embossed. So I opted for the cream and navy blue headband. As you guys can see, it's super easy to add on top. Make sure you kind of tuck it behind your ears and that the actual headband underneath doesn't show. And look, you're literally ready to go. So beautiful. Okay guys, so this one's super simple and easy to install. As you guys know, the headband wig is definitely a love-hate thing for me, mainly because I have a big forehead and I don't have like very thick hair along my hairline. So I want it to look nice and normal and natural, but it's hard to like do the leave out thing and it still look natural. But on the other hand, I love it because it is such a super easy and simple way to complete the look on a day-to-day basis without having to like do a whole lot. Like I've been doing Vlogmas these last couple of days or the entire month of December, and it's definitely been kicking my butt trying to do that and, you know, homeschool and content videos and maintain the household and so forth and so on. And even like the last 3 days, I don't know if you guys seen the wig that I had on in the intro. I literally just pulled it off the top of my head. The lace was not cute at all. It's really a nice, beautiful, full lace wig, but because I've just been so flustered with everything that's going on around me, it's been hard to pull together a look for real. And so I don't know why, but like I've been wearing, like I literally will get up in the morning, take my scarf off, shower, and then I'll sit that thing on top of my head. And if I actually leave the house, like I'll take the time to bond it down and all that. But in reality, it's like, why haven't I just been wearing a headband wig? Because even if I pull the headband forward and like completely cover the baby hair so I don't even have to swoop baby hair, this just looks nicer and makes more sense. Like this is a look, this is put together, this is cute, this is pretty, you know. Even without makeup, I look put together. I can put it into a, you know, ponytail or a bun and I look put together. So like, why would you wear a lace that looks crazy when you can at least look put together is my point. This one did come from Westkiss Hair, as you guys seen in the package. I'm going to pull up the email they sent me to tell you all about it. So for starters, this is a highlighted deep wave lace wig. The length is 20 inches. It's very soft and like lightweight, and that's what I like. The waves in it definitely feel like fluffy and airy and soft, which is the reason why I did not want to wet it. I actually want to wear this wig because, again, I got a lot going on this week in preparation for the holidays and sticking with Vlogmas. So it's just easier for me to be able to, you know, put this on and I can switch out the scarf and look good. So as always, I have this wig linked in the description box. I want you guys to check it out if you are interested. Also, links to everything I used to complete this look. I literally think I only used this product in this video. So very simple and easy. Again, I want you guys to understand these wigs are meant to be like your gym wigs, your mommy on the go wig, your boss mom. You want to look good, put your little designer bandeau around it, put a headband around it, and, you know, go and look good. If you got to get up and be in carpool at, you know, 7 a.m. and you just don't have time to get yourself together, put a scarf around your edges, put on something like this, and you can still look like a boss. And I want us to all normalize looking like a boss without having to do too much and bond a wig down and all that, especially my beginner ladies who, you know, just don't know what to do with the lace and all of that. I am Ashley Bedeck. I thank you guys so much for watching if you lasted this long in the video, and if you did, go ahead and subscribe. It would help me out so much. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!